Are you thinking of starting an Etsy shop but have no idea how to get started? Or maybe you already opened your Etsy store and you're not getting any sales and you're tired of wasting time, money, and energy on methods that give you zero results. If this is you, what if I told you there was a better way? Imagine building a thriving Etsy business the right way with all the tools in one place. In today's video, I wanted to talk about my Etsy Mastery course, where I hold my students' hand through the entire process. You will know exactly what steps need to be taken to start, manage, and scale your Etsy shop to a full-time income for an insane reduced price of only $47. Now, don't let the price fool you. This is a value-packed course with 8 additional bonus courses that I usually sell for $5.97. So before I talk about everything you get included in the course, I wanted to discuss why I actually reduced the price. When my husband got cancer and had brain surgery in 2019, I was forced to become the breadwinner of my home. So I was working my full-time job, I was doing my side hustle, taking care of my husband and my son who has sensory processing disorder. So as you can imagine, I had a lot in my plate and still do. Then COVID hit a year later, and all of these things that happened to me made me realize how blessed I am to have my husband's health back and how I'm able to take my son to therapy and pay out of pocket while others in the same situation can't. And a lot of my followers started messaging me and emailing me about losing their jobs, not having the funds to buy my course at the regular price. And this is the reason why I decided to reduce the price to give back to my community. And I wanted to share this with you guys because unlike other course creators in my niche, I do care, and that's what makes me different from other course creators. Now, in my Etsy Mastery course, you will have an exact blueprint. So you will learn how to find profitable products that are selling on Etsy. I will teach you how to conduct market research and how to validate any product ideas that you have in mind. You will get crystal clear on your brand message and your products so you could attract the right audience. And you're going to learn how to communicate exactly what you do and what you offer so you could clearly separate yourself from the competition and stand out. You will be able to steal my Etsy SEO strategies on how to rank your products within minutes and gain visibility for your shop. And you will have a complete breakdown of how Etsy's algorithm works and the things that you have control over. You will learn what it takes to build a sustainable Etsy business for the long run. I will teach you how to turn cold visitors to warm audiences who will want to do business with you for life. And you will also learn how to explode your traffic by using my #1 secret tool that will help you bring in traffic in autopilot. You will learn how to create the right marketing strategies to drive tons of free traffic to your shop to help you get consistent sales. So as you can see, I'm sure that my Etsy Mastery course is not the only Etsy course you have looked at recently, and I get it. There are tons of Etsy experts out there saying that they could help you build a profitable Etsy shop, but I'm not afraid to say this. I am different and I am better, and the Etsy Mastery course is the best Etsy course currently on the market and the most affordable one too for a limited time. In addition to everything I just mentioned, you will receive 8 bonus courses. So bonus #1 is 11 do-yourself digital products, step-by-step video tutorials, and an entire module on everything you need to know about selling printables and digital products. Bonus #2 is my Mastering Pinterest course. Bonus #3 is you will get a whole entire year of Instagram story prompts. Bonus 4, Facebook profile course. Bonus 5 is how to set up a Facebook group. Bonus #6 is how to use Instagram for your Etsy business. And bonus #7, how to create a fan page. And bonus #8 is Facebook and Instagram ads crash course. So you will also get support and coaching from me 24/7 in the private Facebook group. And the truth is, there are a lot of courses out there that just teach you the basics of Etsy. And the Etsy coaches do these massive launches, try to get as many people to purchase as possible in a short window and time, and then basically say best of luck. You never see them again, and they have admins running their emails and Facebook groups. And early on, I invested in some of these courses, and it always felt like I was just a number. I was supposed to feel lucky even to be in one of these guru programs, despite never being able to actually hear from or speak to them. And this way of doing things is broken, in my opinion. And that's why I chose to do things differently in the Etsy Mastery course, is why I provide in-depth guidance and support every single day in the Facebook group all year round. So I work 7 days a week. I don't tell you what to do. I actually show you step by step and practically hold my students' hands through everything. And I designed this course to be an all-in-one deep into building a profitable Etsy business. So you won't need to supplement it with any other courses or coaching programs. And it's why I also provide lifetime access to our Etsy Mastery course, because I want to be there for every win and every lesson along the way. We also have bi-weekly Facebook Lives answering your questions and concerns. And by the end of this course, you will feel confident in your skills to grow a sustainable Etsy business and make a real income on the platform. So if you're ready to get started today so you could build a scalable business and take it to the next level, you could find the link to my Etsy Mastery course in the text box description below, also in the comments area. If you have any questions, I am an open book. Leave them below. And also keep in mind that I am going to go ahead and raise my prices back up. I did extend this price at $47 for a while now, and I do need to go ahead and return it back to its normal price. So if you have been looking at my course, if you're interested in it, this is the perfect time to buy now before prices go up. I will see you soon, and if you have any questions, let me know below.